Good morning, students. This is me, Neha Mishra. Welcome you all to the online platform of education from NLK Group of Schools. Today we are here with the topic friction. Let us start that how can we reduce friction. So friction can be reduced by using lubricants like powders or oils and grease. This process of reducing friction is called lubrication. We can reduce friction by using rollers or wheels. We can reduce friction by using ball bearing. We sprinkle powder on a carom board to reduce friction. Oil and grease is applied between moving part of machines to reduce friction. Wheels are used in vehicles to reduce friction. Ball bearings are used in ceiling fans, bicycles and vehicles to reduce friction. Students, while using rollers or wheels, a rolling friction comes into play. So start with the definition of rolling friction. It is defined as the friction that occurs when an object rolls across the surface. As example, wheels of car, skateboard, etc. The force of rolling friction is usually less than the force of sliding friction. Therefore, it is generally easier to move objects on wheels than it is to slide them along the floor. Rolling friction is an important part of almost all means of transportation. Anything with wheels uses rolling friction between the wheels and the ground to move forward. Students, let us talk about fluids. Any substance that can flow is called a fluid. Since all gases and liquids can flow, they are called fluids. Whenever an object moves through a fluid like air, water, any other gas or liquid, it experiences friction offered by fluids called drag. So, gases and liquids exert friction on an object that moves through them. Hence, fluid friction is the force of friction exerted by liquids and gases on the objects moving through them. Fluid friction depends upon the speed of the object, shape of the object, and the nature of the fluid. Objects which need to move through liquids and gases have to apply lots of energy to overcome the drag. To reduce its difficulty, these objects are given a special shape called a streamlined shape. Like an example, birds flying in air have a streamlined body to reduce fluid friction. Fishes living in water have a streamlined body to reduce fluid friction. So students, let us summarize the chapter. Frictional force resists the relative motion of two surfaces in contact. Friction is caused due to irregularities of two surfaces in contact. Frictional force can be measured using a spring balance. Friction depends on the nature of surfaces in contact and the mass of sliding object. Friction is reduced by lubricating using ball or roller bearings, fine powder, and by buffing and electroplating surfaces in contact. Friction due to a fluid is called drag. The objects which move through fluids have a streamlined body. So students, we hope that the topic is now clear to you all. Now we will meet again with another topic. So for now, thank you for watching this.